Your iPhone is secretly draining battery and tracking you in the background. Here are 5 settings you need to turn off right now, and I'll show you the exact steps. 1. Background app refresh. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General. Then scroll and tap on Background app refresh. Tap Background app refresh at the top and choose Off. If you want to keep it for a few apps, leave it on and toggle off the apps you don't need refreshing. 2. Location tracking per app. Go back to Settings. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services. Scroll through your apps. Tap an app you don't trust or don't need tracking. Choose Never or While using the app. Toggle Precise Location off if the app doesn't need your exact location. 3. Significant locations. Stay in Location Services. Scroll down more and tap System Services. Tap Significant Locations. Authenticate if asked, then toggle Significant Locations off to stop your device from logging places you visit frequently. 4. Analytics and improvements. Go back to Settings. Tap Privacy and Security again. Scroll down and tap Analytics and Improvements. Turn off Share iPhone Analytics. Share iCloud Analytics. Improve Siri and dictation. And share with app developers. This reduces background data sharing and can save a bit of battery. 5. Personalized ads. Go back to Settings, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Then scroll down and tap on Apple Advertising. Toggle personalized ads off. By default, in my region, it's turn off. This stops Apple from tracking your usage across apps just to target ads. Turn these off and you'll enjoy better battery life, stronger privacy, and less background tracking. If this helped, please like and subscribe. It really helps me keep making useful iPhone tips for you.